open up. You OPN, bitch, you want BBM.
Hi guys, Davi here from Greenwood Designs TV, and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you my sewing area and how I make do with a simplified small space to get all my projects done. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you enjoy videos like this. Bye. This is my sewing space. Up here I keep a few threads that I have, as well as markers. Also in here is like quick things that I can grab, like my seam ripper and bobbin holders. I use only serger threads because it's a little bit more cost efficient for me to have a larger amount of thread for the same price as the little one, since I sew so much. This was given to me by a fellow designer. It's a magnet, but it's a needle holder, so it's really convenient if you drop needles to just hover it over and it will magnetically pick them up. These are my scissors. I need some better ones. Hopefully Santa will get me some. In this bin I keep my elastics, my sewing labels, needles, screwdrivers, smaller threads, just things like that that I don't like just displayed. I keep them in this little case, and I got this case from the 99-cent store. This light was given to me by a fellow artist. Her name is Touched by Tay. Look her up on Instagram, Facebook. She does custom wire earrings, paintings, anything you can think of, waist beads, that's her. And I love this light because it's so bright. Even when I don't have the main light on in the house, I can still get a lot of work done. The second shelf, I have these flowers here. It's just something nice to look at, but they're really bouquets that I use for my bridal line. So just keep them out the way. I put them here so it looks nice. And then there's a little thank you card from a lovely model. All right, so the next row is the actual table. Oh, back there I have a little sign, aim to inspire. Something I like to look at when I'm sewing. So this is my current sewing machine that I'm using, the main. It's pretty great. A lot of it's automatic. So I'm loving this machine, but I also have a few others. Underneath the table, I bring these up as needed. It's my Brother Serger 1634D. And then I also have a more traditional sewing machine that was gifted to me by my aunt. It's also a Brother. All of my machines are in the Brother family. It's a really reliable brand that I've been using since I've learned how to sew in 2010. This isn't all of my machines. I actually have 2 more machines, but I keep those at my mother's house just in case I have clients on that side of town that I need to do alterations for. Underneath here is a little bin. In this bin I keep old sketchbooks, notebooks for expenses, what I spent on certain projects. That's how I was trying to keep track of stuff. You see my daughter's colorings, as well as, you know, Book of Profits. I think I'm gonna switch up how I do that though, but it's a lot of receipts in those books, and I normally just keep that tucked away. And that's really my sewing area, nice and simple. I have a front closet that I use, that I keep my designs in, as well as any extra fabric, but I like it nice, simple, clean, and simplified. The desk I got from Walmart and I assembled. Okay, so the table that I do sew on does fold away if I ever was to remove my sewing machine from the area. Alright, so if you would like to connect with me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me at greenwear_designs. Again, it's at greenwear_designs. I would love for you to follow me and I'll follow back and we can connect there as well. Again, thank you for watching and bye.